Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your GMT over there. So welcome back to Oxygen Graphics. So in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to make a simple and amazing food menu design on your Pixellab Pro. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly please smash on that subscribe button, like this video, share and comment, and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post any amazing videos like this. And if you are returning viewers, thanks for coming back guys, I really appreciate. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into this tutorial. So all the resources that I'm going to use, I will drop it in the description. You'll find a link there, link to image used in the tutorial. So just access through the link and download all the resources and design at your own comfort. So let's move on to our Pixellab Pro and let me show you what we are going to do on today's tutorial. So the first thing that we are going to do now is that we have our size, the accurate size, and come here and import more than one image altogether by once. So I've made a shot on this thing that you can import more than one image together on this Pixellab Pro. So let's go. Yeah, so this is the image. You can just merge it and resize it, or let's resize it one by one. From the first one, resize it to 100. So the second one, yeah. So after we resize this successfully, you just have to lock it one by one. Just lock it to avoid error. Yeah, so you can see we have our template designed already. So I do not want to waste our time, that's why I will drop this design resource. If we want to be doing it one by one, it will waste our time and it will take time. So the first thing that we are going to do now is that text, and on this text we have to add up to, I think this company is doing discounts. That's what we have to, that's when we have to add up to in capital letter. I will bring it to this size. So go to this font and swap down to this blogger sign. Yeah, this is the font that we are going to use. So before we continue this, copy this text, copy it and edit this one as 50%. Just write your 50 and you see your percent here on your keyboard. Yeah, so after this, resize this one also and bring it inside this box here, and let's check for the positioning. Yeah, so this is the position of the two, and this up to just copy it and edit this one as off, up to 50% off, like that. Yeah, so you can see that I've copied this up to again and edit this one as edit it as food menu.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going, I don't want the fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back, yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one, working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah, rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun, shooters gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I won, always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it, and the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing, never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it, never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving, yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine, yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine, yeah, I'm
Yeah, so after this you can see we are almost done. You have to add something like their website or their contact info. So I prefer us to have their website. Just write www.bestfoodtown.com. So just input a website of your client. Yeah, so after this website we have the last thing that we want to add is like a description. We deliver To make this, let's check what we can write at the description. You can just input like yeah. So this, you can just use this as their description. A amazing food is ready for you and for your family. We deliver to your doorstep at avoidable price. Yeah, this can just be their description, or let me say advertising comments. So after this, you just have to position it and resize it here. You can see this flyer is amazing. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly please smash on that subscribe button, like this video, share and comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post any amazing videos like this. And if you are returning viewers, thanks for coming back guys, I really appreciate. So see you guys in my next tutorial. Peace out.